Hi everyone, welcome back to my vet journey. So since many of you have applied for VCA counseling this year, and I was receiving a lot of messages regarding the choice filling. Like you people were very confused about the colleges and which colleges you should put first in the preference order. So there were so many questions like that. So I thought to make a separate video on this, and here it is. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Now, if you look at the seat matrix given by the VCA on the official website, they have provided the complete list of colleges which are going to be participating in this year counseling. So as you can see on the screen, many colleges are participating in this year counseling from different states. Those states are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Mizoram, Odisha, Pondicherry, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. So these states' veterinary colleges will be participating in this year counseling. So, if we talk about the private colleges which are participating in this year counseling, these are International Institute of Veterinary Education and Research, Bahu Akbarpur, Rohtak; Khalsa College of Veterinary Animal Sciences, Amritsar; Mahatma Jyotiba Phule College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Chomu; Apollo College of Veterinary Medicine, Jaipur; and Aravali Veterinary College, Sikar. So these all are private colleges. Now, if you do not want private colleges, if you do not want to take admission in private colleges, then make sure you do not fill any private colleges during the choice filling. This is very important thing. Because if you do not want private college, and if you choose private college in the choice filling, then in case if you get college, then you have to take admission. Why I'm saying this? Because for example, in round 1 you fill private college by mistake, okay, but you do not want private college, but you have to report at that private college. In case you get a private college, you have to report there, you have to submit their admission fees, which is in lakhs. Okay, so you have to give the admission fees, and after that only you have any choice for upgradation. Because if you do not report, then you will be disqualified. So keep in mind, if you do not want private colleges at all, then you should avoid choosing these colleges during the choice filling. Now, how to do the choice filling? This is the very important thing. Now, choice filling depends on your preference. Why I am saying this? Because many of you who are watching this video right now, you may be from south of India, or you may be from north of India, or east of India, or west of India, like different parts of the country. Now, for example, if I provide you a complete list of preference order, if I give you one list, now some of you will be from south of India. You may not be comfortable going to north for 6 years to do BVSC. Likewise, the students who are from north of India, east of India, or west of India, if they get a college in south of India, then they have to think twice. And it depends on you. For example, if you want to take admission in your own state or nearby states, that's completely fine. You should fill those colleges first, which is in your state or around your state. But in case you want only reputed colleges and you're ready to go out of your state to any other state where colleges are nice and studies are also nice, so if you have that kind of mindset, then also it is completely fine. You should go for it. Now, I would like to highlight one thing, that in case you're going out of your state, then you may face some issues like food issues, language issues, especially in case of south of India. For example, if you're coming from north of India to south of India, then you may face these kind of issues. So again, it depends on your preference. If you are ready to face all these challenges just to get into the top colleges, then well and good. Same case with other state people also, not just south of India, other parts of the India also. If you are going, you may face some problems. So again, I'm saying it depends on your preference. Now, these are some of the colleges in north of India which you can put first in your preference order. So the first is College of Veterinary Science, Hisar. Second is College of Veterinary Science, Ludhiana. Third is ICAR, Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Izzatnagar, Bareilly. Fourth is College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Mathura. Fifth is College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Pantnagar. Sixth is Mumbai Veterinary College. Seventh is College of Veterinary and Animal Science, Bikaner. So these are the colleges which you can put first in case you want college in north of India or like western part. Okay, so you can put these colleges first in your preference list. And these are some colleges in south of India. In case you want to prefer colleges in south, then you can put these colleges first in your preference list. First is Madras Veterinary College, Chennai. Second is College of Veterinary Science and Research Institute, Namakkal. Third is Veterinary College and Research Institute, Orthanadu. Fourth is Veterinary College and Research Institute, Tirunelveli. Now these four colleges, they are under Tanuvas. Fifth is College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Thrissur. Sixth is College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Pukote. Seventh is Veterinary College, Hebbal, Bangalore. Eighth is College of Veterinary Science, Hyderabad. And ninth is College of Veterinary, Tirupati. So after choosing these colleges, you can go for other colleges. Now, based on your NEET rank, category, and cutoff, the college will be allotted to you. It's not like whatever college you put first, you will get it. It's not like that. It depends on the cutoff. And one more thing, whatever colleges you are filling during the choice filling and locking it, only from those colleges, one college will be allotted to you, depending on the cutoff as well as your NEET rank. Okay, in case you do not get any college in round 1, then you can go for round 2 also. I made a separate video on the procedure, so you can check that out, link in the description. Now some of you were asking about the bond in different colleges. So if you go to the official website of VCI, vci.admissions.nic.in, link I have mentioned in the description. If you go there, you will get a nodal officers list. There, for every college, nodal officer's number is and email ID is mentioned. If you have any queries regarding a particular college, if you want to know anything about that, you can go to their college website or you can contact to their nodal officer. So that will be helpful for you. So I hope this video is helpful. That's all in this video. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you and I'll try to solve your problem as per my knowledge. So thank you. So next video will be about the documents required at the time of admission. So in case you are applying for this year counseling, stay tuned and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications of the upcoming videos. Bye bye.